Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have a very large box here for a relatively small package. Let's explore this and see what's inside. That's right, I'm not going to say explore again because I already did it. Yes, this is moving and progressing towards my shift in focus to diversification, and this is the latest in that chapter. We will unbox it accordingly here, and I'm glad they do this in a way because it gives you the idea that, you know, it kind of masks what's really inside of here, which is good for security purposes. So, but this is supposed to be gold here. Okay, let's see. We've got a lot of packing material, which we will remove, and there's the piece itself. This comes to us from Government. That's right, Government. There we go. We got a catalog here, Government. And I've actually ordered from them before through different means, and but I had a little trouble with this order. But it all worked out in the end, with the counts and everything like that, but it all came together. They actually had the best price on this from Government with a certificate of authenticity from Government, even though it's a Perth Mint product. Here it is. All right, very good. Government. And it is the 2020 Double Dragon. Yes, indeed. There it is. Beautiful gold coin. Very well done. And it is the Double Dragon coin. You saw this in silver in 2019, which I don't have one of those. Would still need to get one of those. And now it is appearing to us in gold with a new effigy of the Queen here. Probably the last and final effigy of the Queen. $100 face value. 4 9s fine gold. Limited mintage to 5,000 of these. This is considered better bullion. And I paid about $100 over spot for it, but it was the best price that I could find on this particular piece. Yes, indeed. And so that is what led me to this particular offering here. Yes, indeed. All right. Very, very nice. Beautiful coin. Beautiful piece indeed. And that's one thing. The Perth Mint, you really can't go wrong with the Perth Mint in terms of quality, of strike, and attention to detail. Comes with a capsule each and every time. Beautiful. Now this thing, typically, coin like this, it has a little bit of collector premium to it. It's minimal comparatively to what you would find in other silver coins of its same variants. And these are the silver coins that have a higher mintage and somewhat of a higher demand too. Coins like this I've found in gold from the Perth Mint. Those premiums can come down. They can once they go through these. This is a relatively new coin, new offering, so they're still relatively high, and you never know. They may do better than expected, but maybe not. So I just figured I knew I wanted one for this year, so I went ahead and made that purchase. But there it is, another ounce of gold out of the stack. The Double Dragon, beautiful. All right, so post your thoughts about the Double Dragon. Are you a collector of dragons in general on silver and gold coinage? Let me know. It's a must-know situation. I've got to know. Seems like the dragons have kind of been overdone as of late, the last few years. But I like dragons. They're pretty cool. But there it is. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.